My lovely child. The events in your life are becoming a lot more synchronized, almost as if the universe is sending you hints and messages here and there. And in many ways, it is. Your energy cannot hide your alignment. You will see it in numbers, hear it in songs, feel it through conversations. Let this be a testament to how powerful you are. You are in a position to shift worlds. Making yours ideal is just a few motions away. The crystals are saying opportunities are arising to positively transform yours and the lives of other peoples. The transition will take more of your time, but the outcomes will be worth it. You can do this. You will eventually feel like you are in control more, with a sense of authority. This path will lead you to bigger and better things. There could even be more travel. Just keep your feet on the ground and you are swept up in the excitement. Type yes if you believe in God and also